How to see moon data on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Mishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the weather application from your home screen, or you can also go to your app library and search for weather and tap on it. Once you have opened weather, make sure that you are located in the correct country, and if not, then go ahead and change your location settings. Now scroll down until you see the image of moon and tap on it. Now in the interface that you will be left to, you'll be able to see all the moon data, that is the illumination, the moonrise, the moonset, the next full moon, and the distance. You can also scroll the sidebar you see there and see the exact moon data for the date that you want. So this is how you can see moon data on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.